Hello, my name is Dr. Merlin Fu. I'm an instructor at Portage College, and this video is about calculating your mortgage payments, figuring out how much you have to pay every 2 weeks or a month for when you finally find your dream home. Let's say you have decided to buy a house and it's going to cost you $500,000. So that's a lot of money. Don't be afraid because most people don't pay off their house in one go. There's such a thing called mortgage payment or mortgage debt, which is basically a debt that you can borrow in order to fulfill your goal of owning your dream house. So how do you know what kind of money you have to pay out, let's say every month on your mortgage? And so this is a tutorial about how to do that calculation using a very easy to use tool that's available from the Government of Canada website. Basically, you go to the canada.ca website, scroll down to where it says Money and Finances, and then go down to Financial Tools and Calculators. Click on that, and as you can see, there are a whole bunch of different tools that you can use that's provided for free by the Government of Canada website. One of them is the Mortgage Calculator. So if you click on the Mortgage Calculator, if you scroll down, it says that as of December 15, 2024, if your down payment is less than 20% of your home's price, your maximum term of your loan is 30 years if you're a first-time home buyer or you're purchasing a new build, but 25 years in all other cases. So we're going to use 25 years as our baseline term of loan. So let's say now you have a $500,000 house and you've decided to put in $100,000 as your down payment, which means you're upfront going to put up $100,000, which is 20% of 500,000, which means 500,000 minus 100,000. That means your mortgage amount is going to be $400,000. So we're going to put in $400,000 as our mortgage amount. Let's keep the interest rate at 5%, and it's pretty reasonable. Amortization period of 25 years, so that's our baseline term of loan. The payment frequency, let's say you want to pay monthly, so 12 times a year. So we're gonna leave that. And then the term is 5 years, which means every 5 years you're gonna have to come back to the bank to renegotiate your terms of your mortgage. And then all you do is you go click, calculate, and away we go. So here it is. If you scroll down, here are your calculation summary. They basically give you the number of payments you have to make within that 25-year period. And your mortgage payment is going to be approximately $2,326.42, and your principal payments would be the amount of your loan, so it's in total $400,000. So that's how easy it is to calculate your mortgage using a free tool online. If you're going to use this tool, the three most important things you want to look at is the mortgage payment, the interest payments, as well as the total cost. So the total cost basically is how much you're borrowing plus your interest payments in total. And that's it. That's how easy it is to figure out how much it will take to achieve your goal of owning your dream home in a few clicks, actually. And of course, as you remember, if we go back to the calculations tools in the canada.ca website, you would find a lot of the other tools that you could use as well. So for example, a budget planner, a vehicle lease or loan calculator, your financial goal calculator. You could also have bank account comparison tool, which actually says, okay, if you lived here and you want a checking account and you want, no monthly fees, all the stuff, it's gonna look for the best bank account for you in your area based on your specifications. So these are really good tools. If you are interested in hearing more about how to use financial tools, let us know in the comments and we can make more videos on this. Thank you very much.